rated Honda models. It's a month-long celebration. Our 41st anniversary event at McCurley Integrity Honda. Integrity in everything we do for you.
Thank you for watching Cap KView.
Tonight, we're looking ahead to wildfire season and what firefighters say you should do now to protect your home this summer and into the fall.
And some sunshine with some scattered showers or two today. First this.
Check this out. The Pasco School District is installing new vending machines. These aren't distributing snacks, though. We're going to talk about that.
No snacks. Folks, like I said, it's just spring-like temperatures, and we're going to be seeing more of it. I'll let you know about that coming up.
Now, Cap KView local news at 5.
Good evening. I'm Alyssa Warner.
I'm Jason Valentine. Thank you for joining us tonight. We begin with the threats posted on social media that prompted the Mabton School District to close for the day.
We've now learned one person has been expelled as police and district officials continue their investigation. Cap KV's Emily Goodell has been working to find out what made these threats so concerning.
The Mabton Police Department got reports Tuesday morning of someone posting vague threats against Mabton students on Instagram under the username MHS Secrets.
There's been an account that's been active. Students, anonymous people will go on there and post things, not to this level, nothing to where they're going to harm somebody. So this is the first time something like this has come up on that site.
But police say the posts escalated throughout the day.
The details started getting more in-depth with counting bullets. So basically using some type of firearm is what we obviously took it as. That's when the school went to lockdown and then immediately closed and sent everybody home as quick as possible. We also did a security sweep of the school. We did a secondary search, and then we started trying to work on the source of the threat.
Police say the threats appear to be directed at Mabton Junior-Senior High School. However, out of an abundance of caution, the district decided to cancel all school for today.
Anytime you start getting that detailed, it lends to believe that they may have a plan in place. Therefore, we take all of those cases very serious.
Police are asking anyone with information about that social media account or the threats to contact them or the school district immediately. In Mabton, Emily Goodell, Cap KView, local news.
Now again, police say a juvenile has been expelled in connection with the incident and school will open tomorrow as usual. They don't believe there's any further threat. So we're glad to hear that. We have to talk about the weather though, Jason. We were just seeing Emily all bundled up. It's not quite spring-like out there.
Well, it is spring-like. You know, we're in the 60s, but still it is a little chilly, and we've seen scattered showers. Yakima had a little bit of hail about an hour ago, but we're still seeing plenty of sunshine, not as much wind. And again, the weather system is just trying to figure itself out. And again, just little bits of shower activity now kind of roaming to the east of Yakima, maybe another little system behind it. But these are very small systems, but if they do come to you, you're going to get a bit of a drenching very quickly. 62 right now in the Tri-Cities as we continue to be a little bit chilly today. 56 for Yakima. So folks, tomorrow we expect more scattered showers and another big push of shower activity is coming later on this week. I'll tell you about that coming up.
The Benton Franklin Health District Board of Health is proclaiming May of 2022 Mental Health Month across Benton and Franklin counties. This is also National Mental Health Month. The board is calling on everyone in the community to increase awareness and understanding of mental health and highlighting the need for services for people with mental health conditions. Now, this is something we've been talking about a lot. Last year, both Benton and Franklin County commissioners voted to approve sales taxes to fund mental health services, although it's not clear yet how that money will be spent. Right now, many families are struggling to find the mental health care for children and teens that they need, even as studies show the pandemic had a huge mental impact on those groups. And just last month, Lutheran Community Services Northwest expanded their offerings in the Tri-Cities to make mental health resources more available. As of this week, the Pasco School District is now offering free mental health services to students of all ages. The Pasco School District is the third in the state to try this out. Photojournalist Margo Cady has a look at how the program works.
We know how important mental health services are for students. We need students to feel safe. We need students to be both, physically, social, emotionally, and mentally in order to really be able to access their learning. And so this is what we are hoping that we're going to be able to offer all of our students, an additional layer of support. We're really excited to be partnering with Hazel Hart. Hazel is an organization that offers school-based mental teletherapy for students.
The process, the way it works, the parents can make a referral themselves because we have that accessible, or a staff member sees a student who's struggling and our counselors are referred, and then the counselor contacts the family and say, we see this concern. Are you okay with us making a referral? And then with the parent consent, we make the referral. And this is a part that I think is really powerful, how quickly we can respond. Within a week that they will be contacted, the parents will be contacted by Hazel Health and they do an intake process. And then within another week, that student will have an appointment with a licensed mental health counselor, therapist. Either they can do it at school or they can get it at home.
Now, officials say that of the 28 schools in Pasco School District, 20 have made at least one student referral into this program so far.